Hello, Namaste. Today's topic of discussion is duties versus right. Let's together explore these two notions. Mahatma Gandhi in Hind Swaraj observed, I quote, real rights are the results of the performance of duties, unquote. Rights and duties are closely related and cannot be separated from one another. For every right, there is a corresponding duty. The state protects and enforces rights, and it is the duty of every citizen to be loyal to the state. Thus, we as citizens have both rights and duties. For example, if the state gives the right to life to a citizen, it also imposes an obligation on him to respect the life of others. Let's see the meaning of both these concepts individually and separately. What is a right? A right is a claim or an entitlement that protects citizens from arbitrary state overreach, that ensures individual liberty and empowerment. They are legally enforceable through courts like the Supreme Court and the High Court. The purpose of a right is to provide a framework for a democratic society where citizens can achieve their full potential without fear or suppression. Examples of rights are the right to equality, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and rights to constitutional remedies. What is a duty? Duties are moral and ethical obligations that citizens must willingly follow for the well-being of all. For example, it is our duty to respect others, obey laws, and help those in need. They are not legally enforceable like rights, as in citizens cannot be taken to court for non-compliance. But as said earlier, duties and rights go hand in hand. Nevertheless, let's draw out small differences for the sake of further clarity. A right allows us to receive and enjoy certain things, while a duty requires us to do certain things. Rights are claims and duties are responsibilities. Having said that, it is clear that rights and duties are interconnected and reciprocal. They are two sides of the same coin. One cannot exist or be fully realized without the other. For example, the right to education is fulfilled by the duty of the parents to send their children to school. Another example, a citizen has the right to use a public road, but he also has the duty to follow traffic rules, which will ensure the safety of all. Similarly, the right to a clean environment necessitates the duty of all citizens to protect it and keep it clean. Let's see what were Gandhiji's views on duties and rights. I quote, I learned from my illiterate but wise mother that all rights to be deserved and preserved came from duty well done. Unquote. Gandhiji wrote this in a letter addressed to Dr. Julian Huxley, who was the Director General of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This letter was written in May 1947 in reply to an invitation to 60 leading personalities throughout the world to define what they thought would form the basis of a World Charter of Human Rights. Defining his views on human rights, Gandhiji said, I quote, the very right to live accrue to us only when we do the duty of citizenship of the world. Every other right can be seen to be a usurpation hardly worth fighting for. Unquote. Gandhiji further stated, I quote, a man can give up a right, but he may not give up a duty without being guilty of grave dereliction. Unquote. Out of the performance of duty flow rights, and those that knew and performed their duties came naturally by their rights. Finally, he said that If all simply insist on rights and no duties, there will be utter confusion and chaos. Well, the purpose of this short presentation is to encourage the viewer to delve deeper into this fascinating topic of duties and rights and to undertake further reading. Thank you so much. Jai Baba.